Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my daily Arabic vocabularies. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. We are going to learn from this lesson how to change the verb la yakum to suit some certain pronouns in Arabic. Nahayun, prohibition. Nahayun, prohibition. We are going to learn how to instruct others not to do something in Arabic using different forms of verbs. The question is, how do we change the verb la yakum to suit the pronouns below? La yakum simply means he should not stand, and he in Arabic is huwa, being the opposite of here, she. So how do we now change the verb la yakum to suit the following pronouns? Wahid, number one, ana, I. So how do we change the verb la yakum to suit ana? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach alifun. So the verb la yakum will now become la akum, which means I should not stand. Ithnan, number two, nahanu, we. So how do we change the verb la yakum to suit nahanu? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach nunun. So the verb la yakum will now become la nakum, which means we should not stand. Thalatha, number three, anta, you, representing a single male person. So how do we change the verb la yakum to suit anta? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach ta'un. So the verb la yakum will now become la takum, which means don't stand, commanding a single male person not to stand. Arba'a, number four, anti, you, representing a single female person. So how do we change the verb la yakum to suit anti? The same principle is applicable. However, we are going to attach ya'un to the last letter. Remember, once ya'un is attached, the letter before it must take kasra, as we know that ya'un is the mother of kasra in Arabic. So the verb la yakum will now become la takumi, which means you should not stand. Now that our mimun is taking kasra, we can now retain our lost wa'un. So the verb la yakum will now become la takumi, which means don't stand, commanding a single female person not to stand. Hamsa, number five, here, she. So how do we change the verb la yakum to suit here? All you need to do is to detach ya'un and attach ta'un. So the verb la yakum will now become la takum, which means she should not stand. Remember, we use ya'un to talk about a single male person and ta'un to talk about a single female person. Talking about them does not mean talking to them directly. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Udrus, learn. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Udrus, study. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Mufradun, singular. Muthanna, dual. Jamu, plural. Mufrad, singular. This is a word in Arabic that means only one. Muthanna, dual. This is a word in Arabic that means only two. Jamu, plural. This is a word in Arabic that means more than two, from third upward. Plurality in Arabic starts from third upward, unlike English, where it starts from two upward. Then we talk about mudhakkar. Mudhakkarun, masculine. This is a word in Arabic that represents a male person or a male object. Just like the verb la takum can only be used to command a single male person not to stand. So if there are two in number, all you need to do is to attach alifun to the last letter. Remember, once alifun is attached, the letter before it must take fataha, as we know that alifun is the mother of fataha in Arabic. So the verb la takum will now become la takuma, which means you should not stand, commanding two male persons not to stand. Now that our mimun is taking fataha, we can now retain our lost wawun. So if there are more than two, all you need to do is to attach wawun to the last letter of the verb la takum. So remember, once wawun is attached, the letter before it must take Dhamma, as we know that wawun is the mother of Dhamma in Arabic. So the verb la takum will now become la takumu. You should not stand, commanding a group of male persons not to stand. Now that our mimun is taking Dhamma, we can now retain our lost wawun. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Then we talk about mu'annath. Mu'annathun, feminine. This is a word in Arabic that represents a female person or a female object. Just like the verb la takumi can only be used to command a single female person not to stand. So if there are two in number, use the same form of the verb la takuma. So if there are more than two, you go and replace ya'un in la takumi with nunun carrying fataha. Then you give sukun to the letter before it. Now that mimun is taking sukun, what will happen to the wawun? The wawun is going to be omitted because the mimun is taking sukun and the wawun is also taking sukun. You know that in Arabic, two sukun will never meet at the same time. So the verb la takumi will now become la takumna. La takumna, which means you should not stand, commanding a group of female persons not to stand. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Al-istimal, now the usage. Wahid number 1. لا يكم هاشم خارج الفصل. لا يكم هاشم خارج الفصل. لا يكم هاشم خارج الفصل. لا يكم هاشم. Hashim should not stand. خارج الفصل, outside the classroom. اثنان, number 2. لا تكن زينب أمام البيت. لا تكن زينب أمام البيت. لا تكن زينب. Zainab should not stand. أمام البيت, in front of the house. ثلاثة, number 3. لا تكن تحت الجسر يا خالد. لا تكن تحت الجسر يا خالد. لا تكن, don't stand. تحت الجسر, under the bridge. يا خالد, خالد. أربعة, number 4. لا تقومي في الخارج يا زينب. لا تقومي في الخارج يا زينب. لا تقومي في الخارج, don't stand outside. يا زينب, زينب. لا تقومي, don't stand. في الخارج, outside, or you should not stand outside. يا زينب, زينب. خمسة, number 5. لا تقوما في الداخل يا أخويا. لا تقوما في الداخل يا أخويا. لا تقوما, you should not stand, commanding two male persons. في الداخل, inside. لا تقوما في الداخل, you should not stand inside. يا أخويا, brothers. So how many brothers am I commanding not to stand? 2 brothers. ستة, number 6. لا تقوموا تحت الشمس يا إخوة. لا تقوموا تحت الشمس يا إخوة. لا تقوموا, you should not stand. تحت الشمس, under the sun. يا إخوة, brothers. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. سبعة, number 7. لا تقمنا هنالك يا أخوات. لا تقمنا هنالك يا أخوات. لا تقمنا, you should not stand. هنالك, over there. You should not stand there. يا أخوات, sisters, commanding a group of female persons. ثمانية, number 8. لا أقم هنا. لا أقم, I shouldn't stand هنا. I shouldn't stand here. تسعة, number 9. لا نقم هنالك. لا نقم هنالك, we should not stand there. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. هنا, here. هنالك, there. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Now the comparison between Amrun, commandment, and Nahayun, prohibition. Wahid, number 1. Huwa, he. Liyakum, he should stand. La yakum, he should not stand. Ithnan, number 2. Hiya, she. Litakum, she should stand. La takum, she should not stand. Thalatha, number 3. Ana, I. Liakum, I should stand. La akum, I shouldn't stand. Arba'a, number 4. Nahanu, we. Linakum, we should stand. La nakum, we should not stand. Khamsa, number 5. Anta, you. Representing a single male person. Kum, stand up. La takum, don't stand up. Sita, number 6. Anti, you. Representing a single female person. Kumi, stand up. La takumi, don't stand up. 7. Number 7. Antum, all of you, referring to a group of male persons. Kumu, you should all stand. La takumu, you should not stand. 8. Number 8. Antunna, all of you. Kumna, you should all stand, commanding a group of female persons. La takumna, you should not stand. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Do not forget to click the link below to download any of my books right there at the comment section. Like the video and share it. Ma'as salama wa ila liqa'in akhar.